Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all again. You really like my videos. I'm getting very good feedback. You putting comments and you subscribing my channel as well. So I want to do one request, please, if you can. I'm receiving too many calls nowadays. Yeah, about 100, 200. So if you could, if you have any question, if you're watching this video and if you wanna one-to-one training, please save my number and send me your question in audio on the WhatsApp. If you want training, just ask me, I want a training, please could you give me more information. So please send me your question in audio on the WhatsApp, then I will give you all the details which you needed. Hope so you understand. So please enjoy the video. Thank you so much. Hello guys, welcome to the another video. First of all, I want to say thank you to you all. You really like my videos and you sending me too many messages and you say thank you to me. So yeah, thank you very much. In this video we're gonna talk about the one ways, how we gonna recognize the one way, and if you are on the one way, can you turn right or left. So this video is those guys who's just struggling in one ways, so please watch this video. If you're good to recognize the one way, you can skip the video, but with my experience, too many people are asking this question again and again, so it's better watch this video till at the end. If you have any question, please WhatsApp me. Too many people are calling me nowadays, and I teach as well. Sometimes I teach, I cannot give you the answer back. Just send me your question in audio on WhatsApp. Whatever you have a questions, I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Okay, so in this video, as I said, we're going to talk about the one ways. So the one way is going to be the arrows. You can see this arrow over here. So this is arrow is telling you you can go straight. It's fine. So mean the first thing is going to be the arrows. Means you can recognize easily. It's going to be the arrows. And there is going to be the head as well, head at the top of the arrow. Means there's going to be the line and there's going to be the arrow at the top of the line. So this is going to be the one way. And then a lot of people say, okay, if we going into the one way, then this one way is telling you, can you turn this way? Why not? You can turn this way as well. You can go straight. If you want to go straight, you can go straight. Just go straight. And this arrow is telling you you can turn right this way. This arrow, it doesn't mean that you cannot go straight and you have to turn this way. You can go this way. If you want to go straight, you can go straight. Look, and this is the arrow where it says ring, charing. There's an arrow. You can see there's a line. So this arrow is telling you when you come on this, you have to turn this way because of this arrow. This arrow is telling you one way as well. And it means you cannot do like this. It's going to be the wrong. Hope so you understand this one. Let's do some more examples. And a lot of people confuse. Let's say they're going here and they want to go straight, but when they reach on this arrow, like this arrow, it means you can turn left, but if you want to go straight, you can go straight. It's no problem at all. So this is the lines and the arrow. Some one way is longer and some one way is shorter. Like this one way, you can see this one way is only in this street. It means you cannot come from here. But some arrows is only the little bit, then the line is finished. Let me tell you this one. Okay, let's say this one, this arrow is for only this street, and if you coming from when you here, it means you can go this way, you can go this way as well, like this, you can do like this as well. So when the arrows is finishing, it means that one way is finishing as well, so you can turn right, left, and where you want to go, you can go. Let's try a couple of more examples. Let's say when you over here, now this arrow is turning left, it means this street is one way. you can turn left, and if you want to go straight, you can go straight. Is no problem at all. Just only you cannot do like this. You can't turn right, because this one way is telling you you can only turn left. Then go do like this. That's it. Keep doing it. And look, we cannot go straight because of this arrow, one way arrow. So it means you can't turn left as well. So we have to turn right, because this one way is telling us just follow us like this. So it means now you can go straight as well. If you want to turn left, you can turn left as well. Then when you hear you can't go straight, you can't turn left, you have to turn right because of this one way. So now try to remember this one. Now this one way is for whole street, like this, for this whole street. It means when you coming here, you cannot turn left because of this arrow. You have to turn right. Hope so you understand this bit. Now the very hidden and the important part to find the one ways. In some road there is no one ways, there is no arrows. Sorry, it's going to be the one way, there's going to be no arrows. Then how you going to recognize the one ways? So please, you're going to watch this very carefully, and you're going to try to find the one ways without the arrows. Okay, let's do this example. I'm going to give it to you over here. Yes, here we go. Now you're going to focus, listen carefully, you're going to focus on the thick line and the thin line. You can see this is the thin line, and you can see here this is the thick line. So please, next couple of minutes I need your attentions. Listen carefully. How are we gonna recognize if there is no arrows? How are we gonna recognize the one ways? So you're gonna see thick arrows and the thin arrows. Now try to understand fully. Let's say you coming here, now this way. Now you can see the thick line is on your left hand side and the thin is on your right hand side. So what that means is this is one way. Means if the thick is on your left hand side, I'm going to repeat again, and thin is on your right hand side, this is going to be the one way. It means you can come like this. Lot of people, they do like this, they do too many mistakes like this. When they coming here, look, here, then they go like this. You cannot do like this. Now you can see here, I told you, I'm going to repeat again, thick. If the thick is on your left hand side, then this is going to be the one way. Then you can go in that way. Now the thin is on your left hand side. It means you cannot do like this. So if you driving on the one side, on your left hand side is the thin and the right hand side is thick, it means you're doing wrong. Here I am doing wrong. I can see, look, the thin is on my left hand side and the thick is on my right hand side. It means this is the one way. I can't go against the one way. Hope so this is you understand. I can understand this is going to be tricky and hard. Okay, let's do one more example. Now I can see the thick line. This is the thick line and this is the thin line. I can see over here. Now what we can understand, let's say you're coming from here. Now here I'm going here and here. Now you tell me, now pause this video, thick is on my left hand side and the thin is on my right hand side. So are you doing right? Yes, we are doing right. So if the thick is on your left, means the bold line, the fat line, let's say the fat line, the thick line owns your left hand side and the thick is on right, is fine. You can do that, is no problem. But let's say, can you come, people say, can you come like this here? No, you can see now the thin line is on your left hand side. I mean the smaller line on your left hand side. This should not be on your left hand side. It means you cannot do this one. This is the one way. Hope so you understand this one clearly. Okay, now this black line, black wall tunnel, is the one way as well. So you can see this thick line and this is the thin line. So means when you coming here, look, I can see thick line is on my left hand side. and the thin is on right hand side. This means I am going into the one way. It's fine. But the problem is going to be when you're coming like this. Now you can see the thin line is on your left hand side. This should not be, you should not do like this. You cannot do like this. Hope so you understand this one. Let's try some more examples. Now a lot of people, they do like this as well. Let's say, okay, you tell me guys, if you're coming like this, you can't do this anyway because you're going under, but some people do like this. They come to me for training. Okay, I'm driving. You tell me, where is the thick line? Is thick line on your left hand side or right hand side? I can see the thick line is on the left hand side, thin is on the right hand side. But I told you the thick line is always on your left hand side. Then it's going to be the good. Then you can do it. Can you do this one? You cannot do like this. This is wrong. But if you're coming from here, look, the thick line is on my left hand side and the thin is on my right hand side. It means I'm going perfectly. It's absolutely fine here. So thick line owns your always left hand side. Look here, and the thin is on my right hand side. I'm going into the one way. I don't have any problem. So this way you can recognize the one ways. Okay, sometime you're gonna get the thick line on the both side. It means here, look, both side is a thick line. It means this is two way. You can go this way and you can come this way as well. Is no problem at all. There is no line in the middle of the road. Sometime you see both thick line. Look here. This means you can go this way and you can go this way as well. So both thick line, both thin line is fine. But the problem is going to be when you see one thick line and one thin line together. Like here, I am driving at the top. This line is, the thick line is on my left hand side and the thin is on right hand side. So it's no problem at all. I'm absolutely fine. Hope so you understand this one. But you must need practice and training as well. You have to do, you get this map and try to get practice a lot, then you will understand this one clearly. Okay, let me try to give you more example. I hope so you understand this one. Here you can see, but there's a one way as well. So look, if you're coming this way, there's this one way is telling you. So look, thick line is on my right hand side. Sorry, the thick line is on my left hand side and the thick is on my right hand side. Is fine. Is no problem at all. And yeah, when you get this map, you just try by yourself, play around, then you will be understand. Yeah, a lot of people, they do mistake in these kind of, where I give you the example over here, they don't recognize how to do it. Yeah, hope so you understand this one. If you have any questions, please send me your question in audio on the WhatsApp. I will try to get back to you. And we provide training as well. As you can see on this screen, we have all these questions, and if you can see, I have a real exam question folder. I have a lot of folders. You can log into this computer and you can practice. If I show you this real exam question folder, which is over here, so all this question is coming again and again in the exam. And we have a website as well, which is called the best PCO training. If you this is called the best PCO training. If you write in Google, it will comes up. And we have a Sero mock test and the mock test, which is the book questions one. You can buy this one, is only £7.99, and you can enjoy and learn the book question. And if you want a training for the book question, do this one. Or if you want a training for the map, just WhatsApp me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope so you understand. If you have a question, yeah, I'm happy to help you guys. Yeah, my next video is going to be about the left and right, how to stay the left, how to stay right. A lot of people confusing and struggling in that as well. So please subscribe to my channel, because I'm putting the video more often. You will get the notification when I put the new video. Thank you so much.